and then you look at the ceiling and there's this huge mirror in front of the check-in desk on the side. Hey guys, what is up? This is Michaela, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to do a hotel review, of course, in Paris, France, since I'm here for a couple of days. This is my second day here, and this is a different hotel, and this hotel is called the Parisianer. This right here. I cannot tell you enough how gorgeous and beautiful this hotel is. This hotel is definitely a hidden gem. Checkout hours are from 1400 to 1100, and if your room isn't available, they do have a luggage shelf for you, so they can hold your luggage for you while you walk around up until check-in time. So right as you walk in, there's a little coffee bar section and tea, and it looks like a furnace is almost under. Oh, let me see, hold on. Ooh, so this is like a little holding place, like a little storage area. That's cool. I love the brass tones. Let's see what's under here. Oh, this is like the safe area. That's so beautiful. I love the mirrored shelf, how they did that. It feels bigger. And then this is where you can hang. Instead of having a closet that's closed in and takes up space, it's almost as if they're minimizing the space by adding 2 brass bars on the ceiling and just putting hangers up. I love that idea. And then of course, this is a little sitting area. You have your side tables and the bed, you guys. Oh my God, it's so cute. Like feels like I'm in Miami, South Beach. All right, let's do an inspection. The bed looks a lot cleaner. Let's see what this is. Bed inspection. Look at these buttons. This is fancy. It's weird. Oh, you can control the lights. Oh, that's so cool. You can like read at night and move this around. This is like a good little nightlight. Oh, and this controls. Okay, that's really cool, this feature. And they have the phone. So you guys, they also have, I love this mirror. The stool. You can charge your phone, and then of course TV right across from the bed. Other end table. I love these jewel tones, you guys. Huge fan. Let's see the view. Ooh. Ooh. Let me see if I can open this. All right. Maybe not a crazy view, but I mean, nonetheless, it's beautiful. Look at the neighbors. Yeah, the architecture in Paris you never get tired of. It's so beautiful. Look at those winding stairs. So beautiful. You never get tired of the architecture and the buildings. All right, let's close that. Of course, we're moving on to the bathroom, which I see a little sneak preview of already. The door side's open. Oh my God, guys. Marble floor. I feel this hotel feels so personalized. Just the little details that make it seem bigger, and they're just so clean. The towels, and you guys, look at this. They have little slippers for you, the guests. That is so thoughtful. Wow, in white and in black. Like, that is so thoughtful. It feels special. What's in here? There's a little bag in the back. What could be in here? Oh, a hair dryer. A hair dryer in here. Yeah, it's a hair dryer. Instead of having like a big shelf, it's a very open concept. Feels like there's more space. A little trash, of course. And then this mirror, this is a magnifying mirror. Ooh, yay. Of course, a bigger mirror. And then they have a beautiful stand-in shower. I'm impressed. Of course, a toilet. And then of course we get another window in the bathroom. Same view as the bed. Yeah, because the bedroom is literally next door. The window was right there, so it was the same view. I'm gonna keep that closed. And of course the windows are fogged out for the bathroom for privacy. Let's see the lights. Oh, and there's like a little ring light behind the mirror. That's cool. Oh, that's beautiful, yeah. I love black, white, marble. And the interior designer, I don't know if it's the sisters that are interior designers or what, but this is such a cute, adorable hotel and concept. Beautiful room. And I also love the fact how they allow you to check in earlier instead of waiting around for the check-in time. Like in yesterday's hotel, I had to wait around until 3:30 to check in, which is actually like really late to check in, 3:30, but this check-in time is at 2 because there was a room available. The front desk receptionist let me check in early. I'm going to check out the fitness center, so come along with me. And then for the card, you guys, even in yesterday's hotel, you have to leave the card in to keep like the lights on. When you take the card out, all the lights and the electricity just shuts off, which saves electricity. So it's like you have to be in the room for the lights to be on. Okay, now we're entering the hallway. Okay, we're entering. It says fitness center is -1. So I'm gonna go check out the fitness center. Let's see, but look at the all brass. It's very whimsical, it's very dark, it's very romantic. This hotel's interior design is beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna see, that's private. Okay, this is a bathroom, obviously. The bathroom downstairs is still nice, all marble. Okay. Let's see. Fitness. Sure. Oh, this is adorable. You guys, this is all brick, and I love the round. It's giving me like an oven crust pizza, an oven pizza vibe. This is adorable. They have a treadmill. They have a little bike machine. This is just so cute. Oh, it would be so cool if there was like a window that was still open there. Of course, you have the dumbbell bars right here. Oh, is this a radio? Oh, a little radio here too. Seems kind of a little stuffy in here, I'm not gonna lie. It smells like a basement. Probably because obviously we're underground in the basement, but this is a cute little intimate fitness room. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna be taking you guys to the lobby area. Just go up these stairs. Okay. Hopefully it's not private because there's a door right there. Okay, so I'm about to walk into the lobby. They do have a breakfast, but the breakfast isn't included. This is a little coffee machine drink area in the lobby. That's part of the lobby. Oh my god, look at outside. There's a little patio. Little cereals. This is beautiful. They have this. The kitchen's in the back. Alright, this is the lobby section. Wow, that one's really high. And like, look at the top ceiling. This is the reception. And this was the front door. So I wanted to show you the lounge area. Look at how beautiful this area is. It's giving like a jazz club, South Miami Beach, vintage and very retro kind of vibe. Like, I love these chairs. They have like natural wooden elements, and then you look at the ceiling and there's this huge mirror in front of the check-in desk on the side. Love this. I love the marble countertops. Ugh, like, how gorgeous are these chandeliers? The velvet cushions, and there's even like cute velvet pillows. And I love the flowers. I mean, they're not like real, obviously, but I love it. Even this backdrop on this wall, like the mirrors, go crazy. Love it. Love these pictures. Okay. And then this is where you walk in the door. They have another door, but like, I would love to just do work here. Okay. It's like the reception desk area. But yeah. And then you walk in here after you check in the reception. The stairs are right here. The stairs are really windy, but I love the red walls and the emerald green velvet rug. They look beautiful. And then when you walk to the elevator from the lobby, you're met with a vending machine that takes card or cash in euros, obviously. As soon as you walk out from the elevators or onto the elevators, right across from the elevators, you can make a loop turn around the lobby area. That's like the bar area slash like where they have breakfast in the morning. And then all those tables and the lounge, that was a lounge area like in the lobby you can eat at. And you guys. And then that's really it. So it includes a fitness room, and then like the bar reception area is the lobby where you can have breakfast. Breakfast isn't included though. All right, let's go back up. The third floor. So far, you guys, this experience for me has been a 10 out of a 10. Oh, and one more thing, you guys. The room smells so good. Like, the housekeeping team that were cleaning, I don't know what they're spraying, but it smells so, so good in the room. It smells like flowers in my room when I walked in. It smells so, so good. So, I mean, the attention to details for this hotel is impeccable. It's very, very clean. I love how there's a small fitness center, even though it's like a small room, but nonetheless, you can still be able to enjoy your workout. And then they do have a nice breakfast downstairs, and the front room reception guy downstairs, he was so, so nice and accommodating too. He was so, so sweet and accommodating. That makes a huge difference. The interior design is just so entertaining. I love it. It's that little extra oomph that makes you feel like you're on vacation. So yeah, you guys, that is my hotel review for the Parisianer Hotel located in Paris. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.